Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Rush on iPad. First, open the Adobe Rush application on your device. Tap the plus icon to create a new project, then select your media from your photo library or files. Once imported, your clips will appear on the intuitive timeline at the bottom of the screen, ready for editing. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now, let's dive into basic editing. To trim a clip, drag its edges on the timeline. To split, position the playhead and tap the scissors icon. Adjust audio by tapping a clip and using the volume slider. You can also add background music from the audio panel, ensuring your sound levels are balanced for a professional touch. To enhance your video, explore the graphics panel for animated titles and lower thirds. Simply drag and drop them onto your timeline. For visual appeal, tap a clip to access color correction tools and apply filters. You can also adjust clip speed, perhaps slowing down a 5-second shot to 10 seconds for dramatic effect or speeding it up. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Tap the share icon at the top right. You can choose your desired resolution, like 1080 pixels, and frame rate, such as 30 frames per second. Rush offers direct sharing to platforms like YouTube or Instagram, or you can save the video directly to your iPad's camera roll for later use. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.